we commenced a more focused engagement at the national level with the Commission's frontline officials, the electoral officers. We also considered it appropriate to interface with transport providers to review logistic arrangements by inviting the leadership of the National Union of Road Transport Workers, the National Association of Road Transport Owners, and the Maritime Workers Union of Nigeria. There is no doubt that the success of any election primarily depends on the ability to deploy personnel and materials to various locations. In Nigeria, this involves the biggest logistics deployment the nation periodically undertakes across vast terrains and often difficult topography. There is no logistic activity that this nation undertakes in peacetime or even in wartime like elections of the polling agents. And in 2023, for the general election, we produced well over 1.5 million identity cards for polling and collection agents. Number 7, election security. Number 8, election day processes with reference to forward logistics in terms of transportation of personnel and delivery of materials to registration area centers and the polling units, including specific issues of engagement with transport unions and the implementation of state-level obligations. We have a memorandum of understanding with the unions, but we have contracts with individual transport providers, and a certain percentage of the cost of each vehicle goes to the unions for effective supervision. We'd like to hear from you. How effectively did this work? And reverse logistics. It's not only about forward logistics, but reverse logistics and movement of personnel and retrieval of field